time it is, the fire alarm just went off, but no one else is awake. And it like went off. I think it was the fire alarm. I don't know. That was so weird. There's a button at the front door that we can press to turn off, like to disable the fire alarm. So I got up to go, but like before I even like left the bedroom, it was done. And so I just got back from checking the entire place. Everyone's still asleep. So I don't even know if I heard a fire alarm or what. But it was so loud. And like we've heard the fire alarm, we've set it off like twice this week. But it was literally like outside the door, like this like the beeping and then this loud pitched voice saying run, like fire, evacuate now. That's not how you want to wake up. But no one else is awake, so I don't know if I even heard that or if I heard something else. But that was really weird. So I'm gonna try and go back to bed. I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay. I don't know what time it is, but I just woke up again. What the fuck was that? Is that the shower? What the fuck? Why was the shower there? Kyle's asleep. I think so is Abby. What the fuck is going on? Sorry, I got distracted. What was that bang? If you guys can see it, the suitcase is like it was against the wall, but I feel like it's the only thing it could have been. What the hell? I'm so confused right now. What's going on? I don't even know what's happening. I'm going back. I'm going to bed. I'm going back to bed. That's like the third thing tonight. Maybe they have a point about it being haunted.